Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, yet another pen, found a new home, ready to be shipped overseas. So as I've mentioned to you before, if there's anything of interest, get in touch. And this particular gentleman reached out to me, he emailed me, he asked me do I have any pens available. After sort of numerous emails back and forth, he decided on this particular one. Now, I may have actually shown you this in a previous pen haul video. Unfortunately, I can't remember which one it was and I can't find it. But what we've got now here is the pen ready to go, fully restored and ready to go to the new owner. And the new owner is a gentleman over in Germany. So, well, don't forget, if you don't ask, you don't know. So it comes in the original box. You can see it's got the original instructions in there. And there's the pen in question. We've got a gorgeous Conway Stewart. And if we show you the barrel imprint, if I can find it for you, I think there it is there. So we've got a Conway Stewart 27 made in England. And the fact that it says 27 on the same line as the Conway Stewart indicates that this is a slightly later model. And when I say later, I believe this particular model was from 1952 to the early 1960s. A lovely, handsome pen. The Conway Stewart 27 came in a multitude of different colours, some marblings, standard sort of black colour, classic black. They came also in this gorgeous hatch pattern. And this one you can see is in green. I believe they came in other colours as well, maybe a blue, a red. But yet, very desirable in this lovely hatch pattern. There you go. It's a lever fill fountain pen. If we take you up to the cap, you can see it's got a lovely, quite a broad cap band there. And then we've got the very recognisable Conway Stewart clip, or the diamond clip. And then to the very top, we've got this slightly peaked stud to the very top, which complements the sort of peaked end of the barrel, as you can see there. All in all, a handsome fountain pen. From the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, around about 130 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a lovely chunky 12 millimeters in diameter. A very nice pen. Now obviously it was a little bit tired when I found it, but once the gentleman had reserved it subject to restoration, I worked on it, disassembled, cleaned everything internally, put a brand new sack inside, and the pen is ready to go. Now, although I'm showing you this video today, the pen would have already gone into the post on its way to Germany, but I thought it deserves its own review because it's a gorgeous pen. Okay, there's the pen uncapped. Let's give you a couple of different views on it, different angles. Everything, even inside the cap, etc., has been thoroughly cleaned and, as I said, ready to go. So you can see there the thread, even the threads on my pens get thoroughly cleaned. So we've got a section there, quite a sort of small section. It's got this ridge towards the nib, and then we've got the lovely Conway Stewart 14 karat gold nib. Okay, also no doubt made in England. There's a sideways view. The feed underneath, quite a standard, typical Conway Stewart feed, as you can see there. And as always, lovely and clean. So a lovely, lovely, handsome pen. And even with my large hands, the 27 is quite a nice size pen, whereas some of the Conway Stewart pens are quite smallish. This one's quite a nice sort of girthy size, because it's, again, with my large hands, it's nice and comfortable to hold and to write with. But I'm not going to write with it. I'm going to leave that pleasure to the new owner. He can receive the pen, fill it up with his favourite ink, and away he can go and enjoy the pen for many years to come. But let's just give it a bit of a dip test. So what we've got for you is a Conway Stewart number 27, made in England, and made, I would say, let's say the 1950s, as we said, to the very early, I'm going to say early, maybe sort of 62 or something like that, but very nice indeed. I don't expect any flex on this nib, but it is a nice writer. So there we go, we've run out of ink. So there we have it. Writes with a sort of a fine line, I would say. Writing very nicely indeed, as you can see there. So what we'll do, we'll clean that nib. As I said, the pen will go in the post. It's going to Germany to the new owner, but once he sees this this review, he may have already received the pen. Okay, because although I did the pen sort of the review before I sent it off, I've actually uploaded it a little bit later. But either way, doesn't matter. I thought I'd show it and share it with my viewers and you people out there, because it well deserves a review. A gorgeous Conway Stewart 27, made in England. And as I've already said to a lot of people, to you people, if there's anything of interest, get in touch, as this gentleman did, as others do, because if you don't ask, you don't know. So don't forget, down below, leave a comment. Give this video a thumbs up if you will. Subscribe to the channel as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and this gorgeous pen. Bye-bye for now.